here's how to save voice messages from Messenger to your computer. Open your browser and go to facebook.com/messages, then open the conversation containing the voice message you want to save. Right-click the voice message and select Inspect to open your browser's developer tools. In the Developer Tools toolbar, click the device selector, choose Edit, then select Add Custom Device. Give it any name, such as Desktop, leave the default dimensions, and save it. After that, select your new desktop profile from the device list. Next, switch to the Network tab in Developer Tools and filter the results by media. Now, play the voice message. If no media file appears, refresh the Messenger page and play the voice message again. Once the media file appears in the Network tab, double-click it to open the audio in a new tab. Click the three-dot menu on the audio player and select Download. The voice message will be saved directly to your computer's Downloads folder, where you can move or rename it if needed. That's all for this video. Thanks.